We now offer deep cleaning services for your alkaline ionized water device. You probably already know that if you're not doing a twice a week cleaning on your own with citric acid and a deep cleaning once a year, your unit could be having a potential to build up mold and bacteria. So we want to help you with that, and what we can do is purchase this program, purchase this service right here. We'll send you a shipping label. It'll come to us. Our team will take it out of the box. When you're putting it in the box, the instructions, please, make sure you're putting it in another box inside of a box. So if you don't have the original box that it came in, that's okay. Just find an outer box that's going to be able to withstand it. And then you want to, if you can, find your Kangen water box and do a video yourself of how you put it in there, just in case it gets damaged in shipping. We can then make a claim. And then, of course, when it comes in the box, we will take it out and we'll do a video. But as you can see here, this is a unit. This is all mold. So if it's showing on the outside of this, most likely it's on the inside. So if you do see this on your own unit, you definitely need to make sure you're cleaning it. And then it's a good idea to take out the internal filter so it's not traveling with water, because it will cause water damage. So take out that filter, put just the cleaning cartridge in it, and then make sure to put all the styrofoam and foam in. And then when we get it, we'll also make sure to do a video as well to make sure that everything is just how you sent it to us. And so you can take the pieces off if you'd like. Go ahead and make sure to remove the electrolysis enhancer. And so here it is, and as you see, it is a little bit water-logged here. Make sure, so this one was on its side and the salt didn't get drained, so make sure you drain the salt. We don't need that full, because then it will cause water damage here. Now this unit smells like mold, and if you are washing this for the first time and your unit smells like mold, most likely it's because it's moldy. So then we have a lab we will test here. We'll test our internal system, and then we'll also send a sample to the lab to see what kind of bacteria. Now, it's important to know that we also recommend a pre-filter for you, because these units come with a carbon filter, which is good for chlorine, odor, and taste at 53%. But any contaminants you have in your internal water is going to enhance those chemicals because it puts a charge on them. That's the ionization process. So we'll definitely make sure, and we do have pre-filters here in stock we can recommend for you. So, and then this unit here, looks like the filter is pretty outdated. It's 2023. You want to make sure you are changing your filter every year, minimum, every single year. So this will need a new filter as well. So we'll go ahead and do our deep cleaning. We're going to test it for hydrogen. We'll test for the ORP. We'll test for pH. And then we'll decide what the customer wants us to do, because if they do want us to take it apart, it's potentially we won't be able to get it back together. So we do have a trade up program. So if that's something you're interested in, we'll give you a credit of $2,000 on your Kangen machine towards the new purchase of our whole house water system. Okay, so, and then it comes with a hydrogen machine. You can check it out, be somewhere on this page. You can learn more about that. Okay, so that's how you want to package your unit. Take out the filter, take out the salt enhancer. You can take off the tubes if you want, but we just don't want water in the unit. So we will get this, just go ahead and make the purchase here, and then wait for 24 to 48 hours. You'll see a shipping label come to you, and then we'll be on our process of getting you the safest drinking water possible.